Hello everyone. Today we are going to use our premium text-to-video prompt generator and create a shot. I will start by creating a new chat and inputting the following prompt. Create a shot of a woman playing with a dog and a red ball in the park. Let's see what it generates, and then we'll work with this prompt to try and create various outputs on the newly launched website, Pollo.ai. Here is our prompt. So let's copy it and log into our account. We are now inside our account. As you can see, there are many options and types of video generators available. These include text-to-video, image-to-video, consistent character video, video to anime, which is quite cool and I'll try this one later, AI animations, and AI video effects. The video effects section seems interesting. You can add effects to videos. They also have video generators, which are among the most important tools here. Some of the prominent ones include Kling AI, AI, Pixverse AI, Vidu AI, Luma AI, Pika AI, and more. Additionally, there are numerous image generators, image-to-image tools, and other AI tools. Of course, I won't be able to review all these AI tools today, but we can explore what we can achieve with our prompt. First, let's create an image and assess its quality. We will use the Ultra option, which requires 12 credits. I'll paste my prompt from our ultimate text-to-video generator. There are many styles available, so let's choose Studio Photography. We will select the number of outputs we want and opt for a cinematic widescreen format. That's it. Let's create the image and then use it to generate videos as well. The balls in the image are a bit small, but that's fine. Cinematically and photographically it looks correct. Next, let's proceed to image to video and see what it produces. We will generate a video based on this image using their animated model. As you can see, there are many different models to choose from. I'll paste my prompt again and set it to public visibility with copyright protection. This will cost 10 credits for 10 seconds. Let's create another one with the same settings and see how Luma AI performs. Again, no additional steps are needed, just create. Let's add a second frame if desired, though we don't have one right now. We will use the Pixverse model in performance mode with high resolution. Negative prompts are not necessary at this stage. This one is a bit expensive, costing 80 credits. Now, we have 3 videos waiting to be created. Let's do one more with Pika and movement. I'll set it to follow the prompt closely with public visibility. This one costs 80 credits. While we wait for the videos to generate, let's review what we've done so far. The first one is ready, and the second one is also complete. The Luma AI output is somewhat static, with multiple balls appearing, which isn't ideal. The Pixverse output is better, showing the dog running and playing with the ball. The original Pika output has lower definition and some morphing issues, with the dog disappearing at times. Overall, the best result so far comes from AI, which I frequently use in my tutorials. It provides more natural animations compared to others. We can also animate videos. For example, we can create an anime-style animation by uploading an image and selecting a model. Modern anime enhanced style looks promising. Restarting the subject might help, so let's try that. It costs 50 credits, which isn't cheap, but let's see the results. This process may take up to 5 minutes. AI animations offer various styles, including Hajime Miyazaki's style. Let's try this one with HD quality, which costs 25 credits. Motion range will be set to large. Once generated, we can upscale and enhance the video to sharpen the lines and improve overall quality. Remember, these videos are for preview purposes only. Generating multiple versions would yield better results, but for now, This demonstrates the kind of animations you can achieve from the same prompt. You can use this platform to create anime-type animations, music videos, entertainment clips, cartoon animations for kids, or any other creative projects. Upload your clips and transform them into any style you desire. For instance, you can upload 30-second segments of a longer video and restyle each part individually. At 15 credits per segment, this is quite efficient. Within 10 minutes, you could have your entire video transformed. Let's try another style, such as Disney Pixar Enhanced or classic anime. Modern anime tends to be more realistic, but classic anime often looks better. If you have a 2-minute video, splitting it into 7 30-second clips would cost around 350 credits, which is reasonable for professional quality work. Pollo.ai offers competitive rates, making it a valuable tool for enhancing your projects. After generating the initial video, you can further enhance and edit it to add sharpness and detail. This ensures the final product looks perfect. Even at this stage, the quality is impressive, and future advancements will likely make it even better. Comparing the enhanced version to the original, the transformation is remarkable. Now, I will return to my custom GPT and generate another prompt. This time, I want to focus on close-up shots, which I believe will yield better results. Our video with the anime style is ready, and it looks beautiful. I'm very pleased with this website and plan to use it for future anime or cartoon creations. Let's create one more video from text to video. I'll use a previous shot and generate another picture. For the video, I'll choose the large size and enable HD. Let's see how the HD file turns out. I'll create one with Luma AI, since Pika is quite expensive. This one costs 50 credits. Pixverse AI is the fastest and cheapest option, so it's worth considering if budget is a concern. While waiting for the generation, let's explore other tools. There's an AI muscle generation feature where you can upload an image to showcase your muscles impressively. You can also change hairstyles or experiment with different effects. Uploading 2 images can create a kissing scene, which looks surprisingly realistic. Returning to our text-to-video generation, the quality varies depending on the complexity of the prompt. Generic prompts tend to work better than highly specific ones. Most animations use Kling AI, which appears to be the best option for anime-style images. Let's view more examples while we have time. Animations created with Kling AI look detailed and high quality. Although some elements like smoke placement may not be perfect, the overall output is impressive. If you're creating action scenes, the video feature offers dynamic options. Finally, let's try the consistent character video feature. I'll upload one of the recreated images and generate another one with an anime style. Let's choose pop art for this attempt. Once uploaded, we'll wait for the process to finish. Testing all the features, our consistent character videos are now complete. The first one is excellent, respecting the original image faithfully. Despite some flickering due to smoke, it looks perfect. The widescreen version, created with Schnell Flux, has a slight 3D appearance but remains highly accurate. If you want to film something and maintain consistency across different scenes with the same character, this method works well. The video-to-anime conversion in pop art style resembles a comic book, which is visually appealing. This concludes our exploration of Pollo.ai and the premium text-to-video prompt generator for today. Remember, you can generate and upload your story, along with all the necessary prompts, using the premium text-to-video prompt generator. Check out my other custom GPTs available in my store for various purposes, such as creating book covers, generating prompts for anime clips, designing posters, logos, movie posters, and much more. Some of these tools are free when you purchase one of the custom GPTs.
That's it for today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out our YouTube channel where we upload new videos every 3 to 4 days. We also have a Patreon page where members can access exclusive content, such as specialized prompts. By joining Patreon, you'll receive notifications about new uploads and gain access to additional resources. You can also follow us on Twitter and join our Facebook. Group links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye.